Welcome to Ageless Grace for Kids. Ageless Grace is a program that was originally created for baby boomers, and it was wonderful for preventative measures. It helped the spine and the neck and the hips and the muscle mass and the bone density, and then it was also good for seniors because it was restorative. It helped them get back the ability to function at a high peak level. And then it turns out that Ageless Grace is also developmental. It helps us develop the right and left brain. It helps us develop coordination. It helps us develop all kinds of functional skills to help us grow stronger, to help us function better, and to help us activate our brain. It's based on the science of neuroplasticity. Can you all say that with me? Neuroplasticity, yes, which is the brain and the central nervous system's ability to change its form and function based on movements and things that we do that the brain watches, and then it makes us remember how to do them more efficiently every time we do it. So like when we were learning to ride a bicycle, for example, at first we're not so good. Were you crummy at first? I was terrible, and I practiced and practiced and practiced, and then my brain sent messages to all the body parts that needed to function in order for me to be able to ride a bicycle, and every time I practiced I got better and better and better, until pretty soon I was popping a wheelie and skidding in sideways and doing all these great things on my bicycle because my neural pathways were functioning at peak performance. So that's what we're going to do. We're practicing skills. Some of them we already know how to do, and we're just going to make our neural pathways get stronger and better. Some of them we don't know how to do at all, and we're going to get all mixed up. And then we're creating new neural pathways, just like when we first learned to ride a bicycle. So this activates the 5 areas of the brain: the memory and recall, creativity and imagination, analytical thinking, strategic planning, and kinesthetic learning. There's another big word. That means doing things with your body, and your brain learns how your body's doing it and remembers for your body how to do it better next time and more efficiently. But it also works 21 different primary things in the body: spinal flexibility and coordination and muscle mass and bone density and balance and the ability to respond, react, and recover. I call that the 3 R's. Not reading, writing, and arithmetic, but respond, react, and recover. It gives us all these physical skills. So the idea of Ageless Grace is that we play with it in school or at home or with our brothers and sisters or with our parents or guardians, our families. And we practice about 10 minutes a day at least, so that we keep those neural pathways open in our body and our brain and keep them working at peak performance. So that makes us be more coordinated as we grow up and develops our brain and our body at the same time. So we're going to do the 21 different tools or exercises on this DVD, and everyone at home can follow along with us. You might be at home, you might be at school. You can follow along with us and do the 21 tools. So get ready, find a chair, sit down, take your shoes off, and we're ready to begin.
It's fun to be human. It's fun to be you and me. It's fun to be whatever you happen to be. One more time, humans. Let's do it again. Come on, let's really do it. Here we go. It's fun to be human. It's fun to be you and me. It's fun to be whatever you happen to be.
Up, down, out, down. Woo! Good job.